Welcome to Estimate.ae, your ultimate platform for cost estimation made simple and efficient. Let me show you how to get started and get your estimations in just a few easy steps. First things first, head over to Estimate.ae and create your account. Simply register on our website by filling in your basic details. It's quick and easy. Next, check your registered email inbox for a one-time password or OTP. Enter the OTP on the website to verify your email. Don't forget to double-check your spam folder if you can't find it. Once your email is verified, log into the website using the credentials you just created. And just like that, you're in. After logging in, navigate to the dashboard. Here, you'll see your user-level configuration settings. Take a moment to verify these settings and update them if necessary. This ensures everything is tailored to your needs. Ready to calculate your estimations? Go to the Calculate Models Estimation tab. From there, select your step file by clicking on the Select Model option. Uploading your file is simple and secure. Now configure the necessary settings for your model. Once everything is set, click on the Calculate button.
All right, engineers, let's take your 3D models to the next level. If you want to catch design flaws only and make manufacturing a breeze, you need to know about two powerful steps: FR view and DFM analysis. FR view, that stands for feature recognition. Once you upload your model, you'll see the FR view break everything down into specific features. I'm talking holes, pockets, slots, contours, all the building blocks that make up your design. This isn't just for show. It gives both you and the system a crystal clear look at what's being analyzed, so you know exactly what's under the hood before you move on. Now, the DFM analysis view, designed for manufacturability. This is where the magic really happens. The platform scans your model and flags any design aspects that could cause headaches during manufacturing. Think deep holes, tricky undercuts, or thin walls that might not hold up. Right here, you'll see these problem areas highlighted, so you get instant feedback on what needs tweaking. Why is this important? Because catching these issues early saves you time, money, and a lot of frustration down the line. You get to refine your design before it ever hits the production floor. So next time you're prepping the model, don't skip these steps. Dive into feature recognition and DFM analysis, and
let the magic begin. Our powerful estimation model will analyze your step file and provide a detailed cost estimation on the calculation results page. It's fast, accurate, and reliable. Need a detailed breakdown? Click on Download Report to generate a complete report for your estimation. It's all yours in just a click. Want to calculate estimations for a different step file? Simply click Select New Model and repeat the process. Estimate.ae makes it super easy. Finally, if you need to adjust the settings for an existing step file, just click on Modify Processing Data and update the configurations as needed. And there you have it. With these simple steps, Estimate.ae helps you generate fast and accurate cost estimations for your step files. Sign up today and experience hassle-free estimations at your fingertips. Estimate smarter, not harder. Only with Estimate.ae.